Hi, my name is Nicole and I'm a photographer and author. I've been teaching photography for more than 10 years. I learned photography in high school and knew right away that it was something that would be very special to me. But instead of pursuing a career in photography, I chose to join the military, where I spent over 8 years in the US Navy. But once digital SLR cameras became mainstream, my life changed. Photography became more approachable and it was so much easier for me to learn and improve my craft. Eventually, I left the military to pursue photography full-time and learned nearly everything I know through books and online education. But the one thing that was missing was the ease of asking questions to the authors and instructors, along with getting in touch with them to get clarification on things I wasn't quite sure about, specifically with post-processing. Coming from a film background, I had a pretty steep learning curve ahead of me. And that's why today I'm so excited to tell you about my brand new course, ON1 Discovery. If you use ON1 Photo RAW, are excited to learn the program, and you also want to communicate those questions with me and also with other students in the class, then this course is perfect for you. This 6-week training is different in that you get to help decide what you will learn each week. Typically, with online training, you download the videos, you watch them, but maybe you're left with additional questions, such as why the photographer chose to apply a specific filter or effect to the photo, or maybe you don't understand what is happening with the technique they're demonstrating, or you need further clarification, or you'd like to see another example, or perhaps there was something the instructor did that you didn't catch and would like it explained. With the ON1 Discovery course, you get to ask those questions while the course is being created. All of the tutorials you'll get in this course will be 100% based on student feedback. Here's how it works. The ON1 Discovery course is 6 weeks long, and it consists of weekly lessons. So once a week, you'll get a brand new lesson with about 3 or more video tutorials. Once you enroll, you'll also have access to an Introduction to ON1 Photo RAW 2019.5 lesson to help set the stage for the course. This lesson is great if you are new to ON1, you like a kind of a quick refresher, or maybe you just want to see some of the new features that were added to the 0.5 version just last week. You'll also receive a survey where you can ask questions and offer some feedback on what you want to learn. I'll then review that feedback and use it for the first week's lessons. You'll get a new survey each week to help evolve the course in the direction that you and the other students want it to go. You'll get to help choose the topics and photos you see in the tutorials, techniques that are applied during the training, ask any question about ON1 or photography for that matter, and you'll also have the opportunity to submit your own photos to watch me process in a video tutorial. Plus, there's a private online community for all enrolled ON1 Discovery students where you can share your photos and also have open discussion with me and other students. I know you may have a few questions immediately popping into your head, so I'm going to try and address those here. So you may be wondering if you can watch the videos if you are unable to participate in the course. And the answer is yes. The videos will be available to all enrolled students both during and after the course is complete. So maybe if you're traveling or you're unable to participate in the surveys or the discussion, or you just want the benefit of the course without having to participate, you can still watch and download all of the videos from each lesson each week. There's no deadline to watching or downloading any of the lessons, so you'll have access to them during and after the course is complete. Another thing you may be wondering is if you need to watch the videos live like you would with a webinar. To clarify, this course is not a webinar. I'm not going to be broadcasting any videos live, and you don't have to be watching them at any specific time. I'm going to be taking the feedback each week and then creating brand new training based on that feedback. You can watch the videos whenever you like once they're posted, which will be Friday every week for 6 weeks. You may also be wondering, what will you learn in this course? So this is where the course gets exciting and differs from so many of the other courses that you've probably seen. I'm going to be using the new version of ON1 Photo RAW for the course, so 2019.5. The course will include, at a minimum, the basics such as masking, HDR, landscapes, etc. Where it gets fun is that your feedback is going to help steer the direction of each lesson. Plus, you'll also have the opportunity to submit your own photos for a chance to see them in a tutorial. So if you have a tricky edit that you've been wanting to see me take a crack at, now's your chance. This hands-on approach to learning will finally help you tackle those burning questions about ON1, as well as inspire and spark some creative ideas about your own photography and post-processing. I'm inviting you to enroll in the ON1 Discovery course today. I'm excited about what we can create and discover together.